Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see Gosloto 645. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like and share. You can join our WhatsApp group. My phone number is this one, 067 29 841. My phone number is plus 27 67 77 29 841 for those who are like outside of the country. Then other people here inside, we have this phone number. This is 841. That is the phone number for those who are in RCA. So let's go and dive into the details. This is a Gosloto 645. Remember, you can use the number from Gosloto 749 to the number from Gosloto 645. Only the morning draws, only early draws, the early 10 o'clock, and the other one is 9:30. So yeah, that is it. That is a secret just I want to share with you. Now you will take the second number and the third number. You will do minus 7 minus 17 is equal to 1. 1 came as 10. 7 minus you can also do 20 plus. It's plus or minus. 7 minus here is equal to 22. 26 sitting here, then we do plus is equal to 36 since 22 is here. And also 22 is 2 plus 2, which is 4. Alright. So you can also do the second number if this number it didn't work. I mean it's already drawn. So you will take the first and the last and the third, the fourth number, the second and the fourth number. But if the number already came, you can play nearby number or do. If those number are 2, you can just do addition. That's why I'm saying that one. So 36 for example, and this is 23. So for today we have a 23, guys, because you can't add, it's gonna be 57. So we have a 23. So 23 can be 32 as well. Alright. So Gosloto goes 645. The first number is 23 or 32 as the number. Alright, so you can see that this is very easy and simple. Now each draw they do use different method, but you have to make sure that you follow up the method that is being used on each draw, because they change. Sometimes they have to change mostly. Alright, so let's go. The other method is to add all the numbers in the draw. So for example, we have 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, plus 10 and 17, right? 13 plus, then again you add all the numbers to add together. 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 17 plus 22 plus 35, it's equal to 97. Then you're gonna say 97 is just 9 and 7 and 16 or 19. Then you move again, you will take this number sitting here. Do you see this one? You take the full number, this code, the numbers of the draw. Let me delete so that you see it again. The numbers of the draw is this one. Then you divide by 97. So meaning that 97 is the total number of all this draw, which you're gonna take this and do division. So let's see what was the answer. 17, 850 divided by 97 is equal to 184. The answer is 184, 184. So that number is the number. So 1 is sitting here, 8 and 4 is the number which didn't drop, because if you add you get 13. Alright, now let's move. But 18 and 14 were the main number was 14 and 18. So if this number were not used, you just move them to the next row. So that's why 14 came here as a 41. Then 18 was replaced by 36 because they are the couple numbers which move together. They are also multiplying of each other. Let's move. Now you come here again. You add, let's see, 65 plus 40 plus 8 is 13 and 11. So we have 113, 113. Then you take the draw code, divided by 113. 113, the hot number was 1 or 10 or 11, which already dropped. So then if you add all the number together, 113, it's equal to 5. But 13 also is still a number to rely on. So we're gonna keep 13. Let's keep 13. Then you have the numbers of the draw is 17, 8, 5, 1 divided by 113, which is equal to 157. Now we have 157. 157, which is 15, 17, 1, 5, and 7. So that's where 5 and 17 are coming from. And also if you add all the numbers together, they give us 13. So 13 and 31 are the numbers to come to the next row. So write down the second number is 31. Mostly the commandable is 31 because we have a family of 1 here. The optional number is 13. Remember that we said that we keep the numbers to the next row. The other number which did not come on this row is 15 because the code was 157, almost 160. Yeah, 160, 157. It can be also 13, also can be 16 because the number is 645. But we're gonna know after doing the math here. Let's do plus here. 2 plus 36 plus 40 plus 41 plus 24 is equal to 183. Now we have 183, which gives us 18, 38, and 13. Then the small number is 1, 3, and 8. So the small number is 1, 3, 8. The big number is 18, 38, and 13. Yeah. So this method is being used every day. Every day they use the same method. The other method is to do the crossover. If we do crossover, we have 36. When we do crossover, we have a 41. So 36, 41. Now we have a 45 and 40. So write 45 and 40. That is the 40, yes, I'm sure the 40 came, but you can keep 40 because 40, 41, 44 moved together. It can give us at least 40 as a repeat. Alright, the other optional number is 30 or 3. Alright, so 13 or 31, 23 or 32 are the numbers that are possible to drop, even 18 which will move over 36, 18 move over 36, then 8 move over 1, and then 1 move over 3, 5, 1 already came, 5 came, the number which did not drop is 3. Alright, so the method that we can use again is to add the last 3 numbers. Let me see. 17 plus 22 plus 35, it's equal to 74, which is 4, 7, and 7 came. Let's do this here. We have a 65, 80, 94. 94, you can see it's still 9 and 4. But if you do minus, there is a 5 here. So here we have 125, which is 12, 25, and 15. Mostly 15. 12, 25, 15, then 125. So 125. Alright, but especially 12, 21, and 25. 12, 21, and 25. Yeah. Now, that is what we have for today. I'm gonna read what I wrote down. We have 23, 32, 31, 13, 15, 16, 45, 14, 18, 88, 138, 13, 25, and 12. Yeah. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.